Are you tired of hunting for related list buttons in Salesforce? Learn to add or hide them in under 2 minutes. We'll start from the gear icon, navigate to Object Manager, then edit the page layout to customize your related list buttons. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. Now, go to the Object Manager, where you can manage all your objects. Click on Account to open its settings. Then, select Page Layouts to view the different layouts available for the account object. Next to the layout you want to modify, click the drop-down arrow. From the menu, choose Edit to open the layout editor. In the editor, scroll down to the Related Lists section and click the tool icon, wrench, on the list you want to customize. In the dialog, select the buttons you want to add from the Available Fields list. Then click the Add button to move them to the selected list. Finally, click OK to save your changes and close the dialog. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.